day. Sorry, and if you're day, which means the Musao Ninano, Eba. Nafi, the young can want some crowd, so Busano, de Fabra. We are for Yano, Eba Transi, no more Yano Bako, Ede Amamo, Ubia, Ababa, and the Anopay, Kofia Champo, Achi, Baba Transi, Sanso, and a Franco Naru, Narusu, Baba Transi, Sanso, and Andy Kem, Ebeba, Newton Lati, Ominano, Ebeba, Toposo Busabia, Dinkai Fabra, among for crowd, Assassin, Eddie, Ebi Abami phones, no, Eso Cradada. Into Movamra, Ebi, Yano, Eddie Amamo. Tony Montana, a trusted Yamanon, some brain, and Sana Monsa no Modi Abba. Tony, Salano, voice like Akra, Ebeba, and a positive wumpa, Vimgum, or Vimgum, Nenra Crano, 9 yesterday, Wuhuno. Also, one can set the standard Biamau into within you, no because but me am a voice standard, my year. But Miancasa, Minswam, which you have me monitor them for my fan, Monse be fine. Yeah, David. On side in the Kuya also can Kuya no waka. Montana the Ton, I would winner. Who's your wife, the Tomo? Aye, we need to wait and go. Said you, Cabobiachi, Cabobiacho. Yeah, one cause no shows are my. Then I say, me come for Mickey's all day. Neither the DP. Acho, so many months. Yeah. Okay, Lumba last year. Yeah. The more around the DP, but we know down. Aye. Or not the end of conditions be down. Okay. We froze because you see, I'm a check it. A bonum semita. A bonum. You froze your sat about home. Okay. As a cousin of the hard drink a car. Shop honor, where cockofas on your sister. Okay. Or we shall say to your fish. Or a bema on you. Now, some sort of deal to her. Aye. Now, and Nina and Sana, we flew. Yeah. If you was all now for the Google, I'm celebrating Kofobi. But my wife didn't have also. Woman, my sister, I'm a tad in the bar. Yeah. Free have a control. Okay, no, Cecilia Kwambabe. Cecilia Kwambabe. All right. Who did the conditions behind you? Debbie. Okay. Montana the Tony. Godfather. Ma intio, you're the brand. Nah, and some shop for England. Amako Twaba. Okay. Na minim di obe kan fa ho. Footballers. Sports writers no. Football Writers Association. Amato Twaba the Player of the Year. Nam da kwa kuma Jordan Henderson. Okay. Nam da kwa mano. Aye. Okay. Ti man for our doubt kakra se league omoji. Aye. Na o leader. Young comrade. Na yeah. You bo banka sapa. Ala yo ba sare sana. You know anyone going for like you walk body micro oro. What's up about him? Or patch on their tools. Okay. Into from messages from Facebook. One would live on Facebook. Pamcho, which man share Kesben Sports or Facebook.com/Kesben Sports. Facebook.com/Kesben Sports. Osha Hodman Pamcho, Obetmi videos ahodo Newton Lati, the new ahodo or the etc. Our person Bia Ehuno. Oko sa page Pachobe Facebook.com/Kesben Sports. And I'm for complaining papa. Say and never ahodo all your Kesben television and a basso one would live on Facebook will teach you talisman and in the group no. Moto credit semu ko Facebook mako share brand live na illustrations ahodo all year and nema ahodo dey check teams ahodo owuram kwan binum fa so mo lose ye binum strength no weakness na ade no want me who live on Facebook mbamcho facebook.com/Kesben Sports live bibiano ubehu. Okay, Montana the Tony ma yemra ho na fi yemre de obobano enso e de ebreye Alaja Sha say totally okay. Opa mi ko no sisi ase beto. Opa ma mi ka say Sha say ase to ya. Sejo bra. Alaji. Sejo bra. Odebra. Sejo bra. Alaji. Sejo bra. Well, into Menas Young to Fania in summer air costume Focus alive, our Kesben FNF live, and so our Kesben television. I'm Free England, FWA, and Football Writers Association of England, Aquacotua by your Footballer of the Year. Now, Footballer of the Year, Basketball Quay, Emma signing Jordan Henderson, on Enso Ebo Emma Liverpool, I'm Enso Ebo into the last 5 years. No, I'm 2014-15 season, Aqua Edma
Eden Hazard na Osia kan Eddie Emma Chelsea and then 2015-16 season no Ekoi Emma Riyad Mahrez on if you or Jerry Bo Eddie Emma Leicester City 2017 and 16 season no Koi Eddie Ngolo contact no Obo Eddie Chelsea say go so or enso sia kan Eddie Club on 2017-18 Ekoi Eddie Salah and then 2018-19 dia no Ekoi Eddie Raheem Sterling or enso Ebo Eddie Emma Man City team Football Writers Association omo Football of the Year sesi ama akoto aba omo Eddie Emma sign him Jordan Henderson obo enso Liverpool no and Jordan Henderson sa basketball dey nani ajepaso ne set me kanemum abasketball dey kase na kasa credit no ye fa Emma the playmate Liverpool players no na team abwan ama no Jordan Henderson wa akonya FWA Football Writers Association of England omo enso footballer of the year abasketball dia nsa enso team aka na ye conference so dia and then you about 7-10 a French cup final because so and I Paris Saint-Germain and Saint-Etienne or more and the best so now Thiago Silva signing Emma Paris Saint-Germain Mr. next month and a contract ni ebetime na contract ni wa Uncle Sunsia kan emfa Emma PSG na man for
Jude quickly say gas filling station e wa Amaga Johnson holo I explode I nyasam kitobra it's a fire service vote here now. This argument, but someone come on 10. I'm like Johnson, gas filling station.
Very dangerous. If one more around, nobody me free honor. One more around, so move free honor. Yeah.
10. Hey, wow. Free honey bear 7 minutes.
One in Theatre so our PSG match and then Saint-Etienne airport or French Cup na I'm Thiago Silva saying like I there and now the opportunity 9 draws next month no contract ebe una no contract e wa Uncle Sunsia kan emfa PSG ni munani abre pass kwambia se next match no omo enso ebetimi ahyem na William Saliba Arsenal for player I'm na fam Saint-Etienne on loan now so them say loan di Arsenal for Aman extension tie ne won team embo emfa Emma Saint-Etienne wa bra omo any Shane no and William Saliba saying in their passes now for NTI extend the contract for best a few months be not one team almost our French car final away and French PSG no more send a former club and so better wedding game and so a betting akoso na enra nanka Juventus Edin Kuniman and League for the 9th consecutive time no and so a team Italians could get to so so another Udinese ebe take so mutu and no and the ba and it's a number train Atlanta any AC Milan airbo sa Atlanta shadia na chese Juve ebe twen se Sando mu wini a no ma team League name se ne Atlanta for elusu Milan for sure mon na for Saturday 2 games because Inter Milan dia omo enso ebe team abon omo draw and also mu lusu a na chese before say Juve mpobo match no omo enso ebe team agi trophy no enso e de show na so ntia ne omo empire se AC Milan ebe sha Atlanta na for ochna Inter Milan match a omo enso bomb and then club the enso and Lazio matches almost bono sa two clubs no ebe dincho no mo dincho even before say Juve on Sunday no enso ebe team agi league no na Seko Fofana enra o se goal na fe pale ko second goal ebko Bukama Juventus for team any after match no and Seko Fofana e de oka and so and say was it not say any easy crowd do who and say I say you this place near say almost a match now on Magic League nti omo be party na omo Udinese forum omo nye waiters omo nsevo so kwakoye party no be sevo ase and no combination mun kwan na da omo Juventus so esho 2-1 and Atlanta match omo enso ebo and Jean Piero Gasperini head coach enso Atlanta so bepe sene club be team Edin Kuna for second place no omo enso team Arsenal na for league no omo team Angel na omo toss menu pa ebe awa e de Atlanta especially no coach your friend Gasperini enso honum na yeram on Napoli so ya say Napoli for any color the cool ball Edin Komo for contract extension defender as a man for ban name e bona e da cool ball 3 so no ama teams no omo entimi afford na de ba and Napoli for sika other teams no de ba no enye sika ɔmo bɛ person betim agye sadia ɔmo bɛ ma akora no contract extension afi akoso si akan e de amana poli ɔmo enso e club no afi no pay ya Sergi Milinkovic Savic SS Lazio ɔmo enso e me for na mekina emphatically so no oni ba bia akobekɔ so na watena esi akan e de amana Lazio de on the declare say Lazio for qualify next year Champions League ɔmo enso betim abonto wo Champions League date na also chinye club ɔno Milinkovic Savic no oni reason bia so no enso e betim afi Lazio ɔmo enso e club na se Joe Messi papa and all spark controversy be say Sporting Italy now according to Sky Sports Italia Tutu Mercato and then the fence Radio Ria omo ese Messi papa and an Italian Rem or Milan or Pedine na man for SA ono kwano nti Messi papa ani ehwe e wo TV so no na Messi papa e Pedine na or Pedine or Milan and then central for say any Messi ebetima be see akan ama Inter Milan and no any news and free Italy e bench all the tabloids and Sky Sports Italia report say Messi papa attach down our Milan chrome hon ma Messi papa ni okay. This one is a yeah, cotton one man.
We see and then count the picture of the day now.
Okay.
We also work for footballers. We are any omonkala brim. No. So Ghana has been bizarre. Footballers we.
Yeah.
Almost see account Ghana.
Yeah.
Omonkala brim.
Yeah.
Pictures.
Yeah.
And then I'm
Okay.
Now I'm flying. I'm omonkala brim ground. I'm super
okay. My accept challenge. My accept challenge.
So, a berry, my back on me.
Okay.
Mickey Banner in Fifi, you have a special.
Okay. Intimacy Papa Gusso Peda, a man for Ecasene. I moved to Inter Milan, no so betting I possible as a Silco Italia, a man for Ensu Guswa, or Ensu Edibeti. Now, former Real Madrid manager, a friend said John Tushakonson, I'm heir to be Edema Gareth Bill, and the agent Jonathan Bennett said, and yet he said Jonathan Bennett, Babu, I bet it's not 10 as I'm Shaka Colony Babiacono, and yet here and they hear and then say, on the man the Bobo Conbet Nasi, now for future of Gary Bill, and so Etnaka, Amnesty, not Bibias son, Naka Setian Etwaso as manager, Emma Barsan, Obeka Acha Basa Bonus, and no way on Tiase Emma Osman Nimbel Mosquito, or Enso Antonon, was a plan a integral part on the plans move for next year. Say a print Dembele Shada, and Bobo and Fama Basa, or Enyan Sofa Source and so still, Obeka Show a Tranquadia, Obeka Basa for the new concert, or Moton Dimbele, or no Enso Etin Every Basa, or Mocrado Enso Echo, not Jude Bellingham, no so Ebo Emma Birmingham City, na Manchester for the HDA power, or more Enso Penesis, so a Shovel man, Osinaka Eddie Ama Dortmund, no Sinbaba call, convincing so much or Teneda Manchester, Okosiaka Edema Dortmund, and so a Jaden Sancho in the convincing and said there be Manchester and your club a bet him about Jude Bellingham into a Mamisinakai and so Emma Dortmund. Now you run and so Chelsea as well, yeah. So say Chelsea Volkswagen, Epe central defender, or bet him Aqua Air said 2 days ago, Newton Ebe Church and said Chelsea for airborne central defenders, almost Shada and Fanisa. So say Lampard Epe defender, or bet him Aqua Air first in the air. No team Alpha Bonnie coming to Moko, Jose Jimenez a player, and also a Emma Letico, say player no, and I charge for near brand, and so a panel. Now, say Chelsea as a club, Alpha said. Frank Lampard, even though say you should effort at MDD power. I'm Liverpool and Chelsea about 2 days ago. Emma Chelsea, so much 5 2 managers ne kontokwa. Na Lampard you should West Bia na enyeba pa. Na Chelsea as a club afa bien say e bufo le bank Frank Lampard am enso ni asotwe bia enso de manon. Na Chelsea this one enso epe players next year team abo club no. Na Kai Havertz personal terms deal team we aka say I'm 2 class ne betim Irish agreement na for player no abebo amateurs na Chelsea short term Abraham say no matter sign somebody akwan be so a obesina kan Eddie amateurs in Tammy Abraham good news and enso emano na Jesse Lenka so obesen and I'm dodo ensen kwa Manchester for etimi ekofa Jadon Sancho ban and kebetimi abo Manchester enso club ni pa na Robbie Fowler say next year other clubs, especially big ones, remember, so I'm up Sadio Mane and Mo Salah. So Liverpool team maintenance 2 players there. I'm a big sign said next year Liverpool so a team Agiligan so pair. Now Luis Garcia the Cocobo Akoma Club say any player bia the better assessor or Liverpool abetna bench. I'm any more for me and son team abo and signings no anya very careful. Tego Alcantara the best I Alcantara bar team M1 I'm Liverpool mo enso e former ambo ko an enso e Premier League no na yeda so Bayern Munich ne Liverpool sense de eba ene se ka henso me diga seju o say officially bid be nyamba set Thiago Alcantara Liverpool for pay into official bid no amenyamba baby a
Montana Evansia na command players ni bi
okay
bomodia mra Mickey me petu me check credit 2 the time you am timi bia me tuma chemienu see before say Mickey e dey abo for on sense no be we no me chemienu 20 cities each
okay
na amo hwe players across see omo baso foforo no see no mo tie kopemre na kwa Mickey memra ho quickly na me head also no no e dey brain
Ronaldo say more honti me stretch
why na say more
Ronaldo
oh okay enra so Ronaldo yeah that's it papa
said Ronaldo ni
nice guy
Woodbridge Virginia USA so oya dum boy obo Phantomas ye won odum he ya and obo Phantomas
safe the free okay Ronaldo nice guy yeah that's it now the first one boy no first one boy is one what you Tony Montana in the free the deep now you do what to go papa okay all right come here do so
yes general and I want to say she said they be fine and I'm from na me from na musen David tell me cut you corner in term
oh mata kwa no
there be other obisu attack me
just I say I should leave you alone
board member
I should leave you alone
and Pacho Evelyn mem famenko trouble mu onya me hwe o passe bieti na ontina wakasa ejai na no si won kahwe me dase drain liquid and I'm into so
what do you do so do you work that yeah
dem ya mutre we say hu
this is na man for ntia is na we are is conditions one now say this condition now more than
akwati
deep in the fato
akwati tialo
we are our boy
me say akwati tialo
so be man you picture this through one why be to Angola school
me say akwati tialo ole be hu ntirebu e dey otiralo oh then one fucked up us go Vienna when that's no hello when that's octopus in Drufi taking in Drufi when that's
and so I used to or the coffee narrow
otore
yeah any contumre ni saro
so do coffee and you tutua buy
restaurant okay heaven food haven okay Oto is all the coffee. And I'm in here, chicken say, hey, who the coffee? I've been on some, we go to the office now, the office of my door. If we are so the new coffee, or South, you know, there be making the office do an office in our bad.
Drain cleaning liquid, DCL, auto disinfection cleaning blend, ODCB. IG4 and a diaba. Kopebi drain cleaning liquid nibi. Now on drain cleaning liquid nibia.
Brandon Horika. Zaya me koto ayo.
Player no den to so ne amaya.
Player me zuzi ya. Yaba na.
Ena me hu bi da.
Sa.
Amofo. Omo minimum ba kro
Ahmed Adams kotoko.
Ooh.
Okay.
Ahmed Adams. Okay. My memo answers. Okay. My memo answers. Okay. Sulali Muntari, Eric Bequin, Eric Jemfi. Sorry, Manuel Jemfi, Kwesi Apia, from Paul Manson, Justice Blay, Yusuf Chipsa, Aziz Ansa, George Yamwa, Okocha say Eric Bequin. Okocha police ni
Okocha mo police obi nko chere mame so no police ni
Okacha me say ye na tiase police for me police ni banu so police obi ntimi nchi no
o ne na ga police ni nchi no obi ku enyo na ga police ni obi jitu keke bo man police ni bona so yes ene odi bi o bona so no di tuo no hiti na ha
say dey obi di yanko for no
police ni bona yanko police
what about Eric Bequin with general and obi endu
Wow. Ahmed Adams
a buy no about 1 minute 30 seconds. Ahmed Adams. Obia intimi ncha.
Abranti we are.
And I can answer
Ahmed Adams. And also. All right.
Thank you.
Back we were to this year. Nafi. Kuvuni no hwe kamiko. Bra. Greetings from Feliments Ideal Enterprise. Oh, Kwame bra. To you all. My first question for the day goes to you, Seju. What has Mickey done to you? You always want to tear him apart. Why? You be super obondede.
On the tank of our part.
Victorious Collins.
What's your birthday?
Also, you be super obondede. Anna.
Super on the tank of our part.
Super never.
Your friend is saying
Victorious Collins.
Victorious Collins as a par.
Now we'll be at our part. When you fact no can super then a different. Super then there's a whole new now can on rubber. But make it there. Where life story witnesses. Life story. Witnesses to the story. Ozene yam ni ade no first also dey cook you na obusa no say eh we sure so unza ade eche ba be kan ha o say me go give me office of we can cook you but come from coffee na the we dey so ma nya mam kan chem say me from coffee so ka chem so the coffee am say now we so coffee you be find out to o say mam kan no kre edrufi na wa na ma nya mu dey ka ko so we do say I said don't be
we as a go for yesterday o you careful
and then cause me
utu what is zero and you
for what
utu ni zero wa enye
and for what na be cause matter
alaja ba sai
Sejo
edu so
me da Sejo Sejo ne de man fa free French for na sama bahas where you Butuku Express o say congratulations di Valencia Sare Club du Derby story the print number 18 Mrs. Valencia Sare the story na babati print na ko intimate me nka de meet me come once to be the mama fa kufa no tunche
what say print the story na ba na print ni enye so audible and answer we no on me nka story because about the story about Evelyn Aba I continue na print no hu ni yentino on can story no bo now so only man the craft can
so every yokotoko
oh David Abinyane sir
when your appointment say see you
when appointment now
was it congratulations crown or the start was it congratulations the Evelyn Siasare the club du Ghana na dia kan nyina say inki no am printing
ma you paper baba ko
about baba kope na say one na me for the second story no Butuku Express when they was say la pobima la
the first one and they buy
ti mamel la pou
and they buy
après babier
and they clear
ba clear ba was say la pobima
David I do I say we dey see protest
set up your newspaper printer
the same people no stories no be clear the other one animu ka clear bi
who be that sometimes
it's you but me how they say o baba sha unim story no a people person ochro they say I don't know ink na amaye ya for team can story no because me say even na appointment na people person congratulate no for team can sem na dey we dey na say we are
we person who say nipo who some na make san koya she can take me on
okay
but she say open the paper naturally
one appointment say Hazakes ladies on say CEO the Kana congratulations
say you mama pompo no
okay now go kan dey
sir many boss or who say equal to a boom
matikoi
in double ink was one to a boom
okay I can buy 2 minutes
oh say you
the town
and every way Butuku Express was la pobima la
pobima you know umfa 7 predators on adwempa nka ho edu bia na kofi minni atem na mto so bebre no as edu bia na adwempa ni yode kwa house
and the newspapers na so you know papers not selecting no I'm so should I select it as the MPP radio station by newspaper review no we graphic no mo ko daily guide so no there was a daily post no be last we news and
say making a producer oba no the story brewa oni asem ti nyabotre mame Voici la projetée, la projetée de Mamé Lavou, Appelez-moi, c'est la viande, au Tukalama, la Bitepo, Somate. C'est le bon truc, c'est le moi, il y a claps à Wagana. Projet en maille, Ebinimo Park, Ebinimo Academy. Now, you should more why you fiko, wafa. Obama 45%. Ashanti Gold 40%. Dreams 15.5%. Techima 11 Wonders 1.5%. Karela FC 20%. Pako Sindo Timono and 30%. And now Club to Ghana Bomo na 3/4. Sana people no can. No Kroka kwa sewa. Was a great on the Kubi Park and we share an inch more than 3/4. Sana people no can. Has a 99.9%. 5%. That's one more day. Okakwa in Piazwa. What's a house side park and Nana County? I know my clock 100%. Sana people no can. Butuku Express.
No,
Sejo, what's here? Abrié. San Pedro de la Côte d'Ivoire d'Ivoire a cité la Monde, l'habité du club du Ghana, de la visité de Accra, les Hassophobes, émancipation de moi l'accord. Sejo, voici Côte d'Ivoire, Abrié si vieux moi, et c'est mes frères au San Pedro, c'est Nyami a demandé ce lockdown, il faut voir. On peut son mobile nommé has bobo international friendly match à Accra. C'est you has a fouga you mano. On me pour bimani yenye Pobimal in project in you has no be any friendly match box. Okakwa say okra
so friendly.
Moi c'est when you move in term last year. According to some pedro for no, on catch us, on the project in there. Kuma say match do move in term no person come bank crime. Has said there be quite this a year for my project no. Nti omo pedi a omo mbo enu se wa memorial cap no
alaje dasi
sejo akaba
ka ho
omo mbo enu se wa memorial cap no omo no mkonkomo sejo voici club de Oboissé la Ashanti Gold attention kofi fédération dinatopé c'est la quoi bedi la ko ono to die la ma voici as gold as gold supporters c'est Ashanti Gold enye Feeder Road Club. Omunye you fence Feeder Club. It's one for from place no. Don't come near them.
All right. Alaji yedasi na questions no kakra mode abane nye hodman tentem na fi yentwa so before say me chance ye kra no. Tony first one obi antwa Ahmed Adams ye no nipa ode buy no ye late. Enti obetimi de fufuro asan betu sisia na me hweza manfo betwa ansana me questions no makenkan de amanfo me hwe ni as one man I bibi dodo I don't ni say ne player baby say boke mi mamu ku say yo bobo makuma say santikoto waya 0244 263 902 mo hwe ni mpa 0244 263 902 okay munivro 30 seconds muvamra player beno magode makama matremo kra matremo sa chemo answer no kra yeah questions na eba na fi about what as you. Good morning Joe, this is Kojo from Kaswa. Please, is Coutinho coming back to Liverpool? Is Coutinho coming back to Liverpool? Please ask Andy. And do the phone number 2. Now, where you never was soon. If you have our pen, no paper.
Because we are that.
Please ask Andy, how many goals do these players score for Hartlepool? Emmanuel Osekufo, Ismail Ado, Dombote, Chacha Taylor, Prince Tegu, Oti, Mr. Oti, United States of Takwa. Sir Kaka, anyway, about First Class Institute. I want to know if a player has ever won the Gold King. In England, Spain, and Italy before. If a player has won the Gold King in Spain, Italy, and England before, which local and foreign clubs do Andy Kem and Newton support? Hey, Sergio, tomorrow is my birthday, so let the crew wish me. Why no? Say Kaka. Oh, okay, in advance, eh? Yeah, that's a yeah, we show happy birthday in advance. So say Kaka, First Class Institute Dabain. Or try the messages about the moment Sunny birthday. Yeah, Sunny, our own Sunny, Akivaisal Sunny. Sunny, and your birthday. But I'm also happy programming cry some of the mouth. In the demo Sunny because
only send a message. Not for TV and on any sorry you. He doesn't believe in the
Sunny, happy birthday. What they are come so papa. Wait, I say, Joe, tomorrow, okay, I didn't can Joe. Let me ask the super duper video analyst, King Newton, this question. He educated us a lot on the weak Chelsea defense. Why did the sharp attack of Manchester United fail to break this weak defense? Okay. Into Newton. So you question Abaron. But could be the already local team I was supporting and foreign team I was supporting. I say the question about for you, no. Joe, listening to Newton yesterday, he mentioned that he couldn't find any antidote for Blay in a game Kotoko played against Dwarfs. So, is it a situation of Dwarfs not having the quality players to counter Blay, or Blay being the best that nothing can be done to stop him? So, what if he's poached by Ghana to analyze Argentina, Brazil, Portugal, Belgium, etc.? Will he be able to find antidote to the likes of Messi, Neymar, Ronaldo, De Bruyne, Yaudeko, Edwin Free, Sementia, Bukrum? What's the question, Nazi?
Yeah, Bashani.
Okay. All right. Where is it, Joe? Good morning, Mr. Lakalas and your reputable crew. Please, I want your panel members' objective analysis. To objectively analyze the current Asante Kotoko players and the technical team well, and if they are ready for the CAF Champions League this season. And as this year, aka Bad Road Skill, Gansa Health Center. Good morning, Mr. Lakalas and your reputable crew. Please, I want your panel members to objectively analyze the current Asante Kotoko players and technical team well, and if they are ready for the CAF Champions League this season. There was the Abre and no. Sergio, good morning. Does the winning of the English FA Cup automatically qualify you for the UEFA Champions League? KK Wangara line Zungu inside Dunkwa on offend Wangara line Zungu. Okay. Good morning. Please, I would like to ask Newton the difference between tactics, formation, variation, and other terms in football. Tactics, formation, variation, and other terms in football. Other terms in the and also, please, what is the football identity of Chelsea FC? What is the football identity of Chelsea FC? Asamwad Wefri Koforidia and Abraham. Good morning. I warmly welcome Andy Akosa to Kesben Sports, and I'm pleading with the able board of director of Asante Kotoko to announce a competent CEO as quickly as possible to manage the affairs of the club before it is too late. What is your panel's view on this? Okay. Greetings to all Seventh-day Church of Theocracy members. Afrani Electricals, Pakuso Estate, Kumasi. Good morning. Please, who is the leading top scorer and assists across Europe, and the total number of trophies between Barcelona, Real Madrid, and Real Madrid. Arrow inside Nyankumasi Hinkro. Good morning, boss. I'm Papa Joe from Abripo Junction. Please, I suggest you people discuss with Mr. Kwabena-Kessy to use Dufie Conference Hall for only sports studio because I can see that. Oh, was it Papa Joe from Abripo Junction? Conference Hall, I can't the movie more response, I don't know. Hi Joe, good morning. Please, which EPL season has been very difficult to know the teams who will finish in the top 4 like this season? I'm Bishop inside Achim Oda. Is it Jadon Shatter? Jadon Shatter, nah? Jadon Shatter. Please, who is the best? Toni Kroos and Kevin De Bruyne. Who is better? Kroos and Kevin De Bruyne. Good morning, Joe. Please, between Pulisic and Greenwood, who is better? Good morning, Joe and your panel. Please, I would like to know if Thiago Alcantara to Liverpool is a done deal. Good morning. I've noticed this. Those who eat from the game always want to defend the GFA, and those who spend on the game want to put the GFA on its toes. So my question, will it be good for club owners to be on the ESCO? Seth Sunyai. Oh, okay. I've noticed this. Those who eat from the game always want to defend the GFA, and those who spend on the game want to put the GFA on its toes. So my question is, will it be good for club owners to be on the ESCO? Seth Sunyai. Good morning to you and your crew. Please, I want Andy Kem to explain to me the differences between the following terms in football and when to use them appropriately: tactics, formation, technicality. Tactics, formation, and technicality. Sudais Diasi News Site. Sudais and Sudais Diasi News Site. Oh, dear, no. Good morning, Joe. I'm watching you live, and my question is: if Chelsea fails to qualify for the Champions League, will Kai Havertz deal go through this summer? My name is Acoustic. Brady number 1. My greetings to my lovely girl, Karim Salah Abigail. It's Karim Salah Abigail. Wow. Hello, Kesman Sports. I want to ask if our local teams like Asante Kotoko and Co. watch the European leagues, because I sometimes see, for example, Chelsea and Manchester United players having conversations with their supporters, saying they have sold the game. What you say? What's the question?
No,
I want to ask if our local teams like Kotoko and Co. watch the European leagues, because I sometimes see, for example, Chelsea and Manchester United players having conversations without their supporters saying they have sold the game.
Yes.
Okay. So, good morning, please. My question is between Ronaldinho and Messi, which of these two players is better in terms of everything?
Ronaldinho and
Messi.
Good morning, Joe. Please, I want to ask Andy if there is any difference between a striker and a centre forward. William Edway Freeman Kasim and Abba. Good morning, Joe. The strikers of Asante Kotoko scored 4 goals this season. I want to ask, is it the coach's tactics that doesn't suit them, or they are just no good? Good morning, please. Can a goal kick be scored directly from the spot? JPK Intim Junior Bushain. JPK Intim Junior Bushain. Joe, bringing you Greetings from Achim Oda. I'm Kennedy at Japan. Jordan Henderson doesn't deserve this award. The English FA is biased because the player is an English. Okay. NCI. Na mini mienu bi mfria enso so ntentem na bidafo enhwemu kakra fe yeba na ma be questions no anode amaye. Good morning my boss, please. These are my best players for the top 5 leagues in Europe. Do you agree? EPL Sadio Mane, La Liga Thibaut Courtois, Bundesliga Lewandowski, Serie A Cyril Immobile, French League null and void. Ballon d'Or Karim Benzema / Lewandowski. Explain these terms for me. Dead ball situation. B. Attacking the lines. C. Long balls. D. Second balls. Greetings to Andy Kem. Okay. The branch is the Abba Enono. Okay. Into Jan Kofi into Jan. Sunyai ena owo. Into dena bi makafa into o de
oh say Oya Asante Kotoko former midfielder. And number 6. And
makafa Kofi into
opemuto pa ene ne we coach. Nansena now say
me see. Oh, what TV fans are you?
Sasa mkromnya guy.
It's on our say.
Let me go friends are you?
Fans on Jack.
Oh,
None Mr. France I'm so to be ho. But so bully.
Me can say chireme.
Into na me TV.
Be United Makofin to die. And
what did the rent here?
Or the free one.
One through
the Tamans and Tams no.
I know the rent here. No, this can go to
some only graduate.
Some smart
will be the damo. That's a wolf free one. Now, what the dynamo will be a hat. I do the next will feel you know few. That's all. You walk out of road there. That's an awkward day. And then I amano be United and I rented down for.
Question our day, babe. That's him, you know.
So I said I can't tell you, Sassy women can.
What's your man? Boss, and you're the crown and the crown numbers.
When Tiano, Francis Adimana, no, did not tell Ubizani Biano, the difference.
This is our West, about the difference. But any crew, no. As in any and
there in the
or the animal hide there, but so chase it.
What is going to come up here for?
Kofi is a wow, I don't want to pay. Just shout about that will block him from entering Masalati. So go and do that. Okay. It's always been an honor to be doing the things I love doing best. I'm much grateful to be called upon to occupy one of the highest positions at Sekondi Hazakes Ladies FC CEO. Working with Sekondi Hazakes Ladies is not new to me. I've been working with them behind the scene for so many years. They even gave me the opportunity to represent them during the last FA elections and also gave me the massive endorsement at the time. I promise to always avail myself as at when I'm needed and do my best to help maintain the integrity of the team. I can confidently say with certainty that my current position at Kumasi Asante Kotoko SC as board member will not get in my way of taking Hazakes Ladies FC to the glory land where they belong. I entreat all fans of Hazakes Ladies FC to get on board and support me because I know with them I can make the team greater than it is. Thank you all. Hasma, we go do. Okay. Hashtag Hasma, we go do. Hashtag Fabulous the best. Okay. Who yet more second year Zakes? Now all the message, but we are Fabulous the best. Nti no person chese Evelyn Asarensia. You do a munche imagine Evelyn position the man say easy. O men can say easy. Na munche na monfa
Hazakes dey na ma football. ɛna Kotoko de ne member football. Okay, over.
And on also team. Emma
no division 2.
Division 1.
Division 1. Okay, Division 1. Okay. The young comrade among you
on passing media.
Okay. Quite some walk the way free America and Abre. I heard Henry Asante Chum, the communication head of the FA, saying the GFA will ensure coronavirus testing for all players. My questions are: 1, are they going to test the players each match or what? Will they play in an empty stadium or they will test the spectators too? 3, Honorable Azekasiama made it clear to football people that government cannot afford the cost of testing. So what has changed now? Sergio, let us learn to put the general interest of the country ahead of our selfish interests. Kwati Amwako of the Free USA and so Abreye and Opei Ewaha. Pato, Ashtown. Boss, please, I'm asking your panel. Is fufu, banku, and other heavy foods good for our local players in the morning? Hi to Rocky Baua, Clement Boateng, all of USA. Fatu Landi Service Ashtown. And also the Abad. I'm for Bakopenka on Nafi, Yanko Homesuka Krabia Ba, Nafi, Yabe answer more questions, Nina, and so at the Mamo. All right. Emphasia, Yaba. Others know Yamfam question second bag of questions. No, Pamjo, Yan Chakra, Yabaya with your four answer more questions. Nina,
3, a slot in the Europa League. And 4, a chance to play in the Community Shield. In the FA Cup on Ojia, and Yama Bitumenya, Ewohun, and Susunono. Obi so say Jordan Henderson, Ojidi is a undeserved player of the season. Na FA no biased. Mayanka say enye FA na award ni we Football Writers Association. More English abroach mem. Omuna omuse omukoto abano Jordan Henderson and best player. Yes, I also share with the guy, and I say Nipan or the buy and say makes me feel that Jordan Henderson ain't deserve this award. For my money and for my opinion, I think say even local Liverpooler, Jordan Henderson he be a first real mem. But I think Sadio Mane, Virgil van Dijk, and probably Alisson better than Jordan Henderson. But at the end of the day, we show my word no more now. Henderson first, Kevin De Bruyne second, third Marcus Rashford. That is another amazing one. Then 4th, I think that was the order. So Marcus Rashford as 4th. So 2 Raheem Sterling. You ask yourself, saying no about to Isikoi. So I feel that Jordan Henderson shouldn't be it. But Ushema, Ute write up Seba Omode the contribution of the field and so can also players together during the COVID no. Only captain will lead Emma other players no EGG Skabu Momodeko Boa National Health Insurance for no. So for his achievement of the field, it could be a consideration. And then Yamwa say be no can be a Rashford and so bar number 3 no because Rashford also off the field did a lot of good work. But do here no free war. Boa Sadio Mane abo Kevin De Bruyne, Raheem Sterling no mabono. Enye bina Jordan Henderson. The boy. Tony Cruz and Kevin De Bruyne, who is better? I'll go for Kevin De Bruyne. Pulisic and then Mason Greenwood, who is better? I'll go in for Pulisic. Obi Asabisa, Ronaldinho and Messi, total contribution to football. Mimaka what happened? Say Messi ni Ronaldo, Jina Baba Yare, Bona Ronaldinho, Ewasim. Park and so by Ronaldinho. So I will go in for Ronaldinho ahead of Messi. Bako say Yenshe Asante Kotoko technical team. Any playing body no. Na Yemisa says so. Omu ye ready for Africa na. Kotoko technical team obviously Maso Kunedo is the head. And Omo Gazeli and Omo
Capo Patron,
Johnson Smith. I think in terms of the coaching staff for me, okay. But the here a video analyst, they may need an opponent scout, opposition scout. Ubisame Amadriam say baby tosini. In terms of a technical team, no, a video analyst and a opposition scout. Unya do betumi ayeni mi enu nyina bo mama on so a it will be super because
Omobo league na couple patron na scout mom.
No scout yeah or league so maybe he can do that. And Gazelle is also scout bi. Yeah. The number of games are not Gazelle mom Emma Stadium okra no scout. So probably he could do the scouting work, but they will also need somebody who analyze video for them. And one thing I make sure playing body need there ejuma wo ho and the chinye bi ene because league here okotoko about 15 matches. That's our strikers share 5 goals a chereze u ejuma ye. And clearly, Kotoko center backs basis. But I still think that if they want to do well in Africa, they need a top-notch center back. As we know, quite of an average kakra. And so Mutiminya Justice Blade in the bar, because holding midfield no, Ombe okay, because Imudasilu Justice Blade and probably Kwame Adom Frimpong say if they are staying fitter. And Omakofa Solomon Sako there from that boy, I'm sure they will need 1 or 2 seasons to get to the top there. Enti technical Omo Ejuma kakra oho and a playing body in my assessment they say they need to beef it up if indeed they will go to Africa and would want to do well. And Yembia footballers ebeye sound up di heavy food. Yenye dietitians inte ho asem kano edin. Maybe we may have to consult, but the minimum is generally the general advice of fufu banku abetie so minimum after training Obana se obedi heavy food nebia or walk around kakran san or rest here my dream say because generally they will tell you say anopano especially so you be a juma unanti aggressive did aduane mu do aya neboa but I only played on ignorance sebia dem mekanya ya me enjoy
kutafrani kotokoko is it Cameroon Douala match bi abenkai match kro na Ghana for me mi ani bebre na dey one one omo ko di Ghana aduane but heavy food or try my bo match ni
ansana
the free all the time be
normally say bo game no cry players no I've always been with the players the minimum so much di emo ani nice nkra ni emo ayano at lunchtime so game at 3 o'clock from the lunch by 11 a.m. Now so the be done between arrest that but before game the team could phone is up and no man but off days maybe between days now as a tournament over match back on next game about 5-6 days in between that for now be PM in between that time no he said some enough time to then go to
I think that like I am Medendorf our experience like Jibrin Medendorf booth free baby pass or money players I could do for so Coutinho returning to Liverpool mean TV biasa I doubt say Coutinho call Liverpool Arsenal na no pay news person near the air can say Arsenal may be looking at Felipe Coutinho say bia omo de no beba back no oba bebo omo so a team ni mo na then Obiaji goal came Spain, Italy and England. May sure say Cristiano Ronaldo are there so go kin war Italy and Natchez waji or 3 major leagues no and any panehe so far there's no player waji go kin or England no ako Spain akoje no ako Italy akoje so Ronaldo it will be a record for Cristiano Ronaldo. So James short ones no dem abubu bebre so inti say don't
talk and say over me. Tomorrow I'll be in your studio, so give me time to explain it. I'm coming to Kumasi tomorrow. Oh,
it's also about.
Also about Kumasi. You ever tried Ose? But you're talking about 12 years about our also about
now, or chance to invite to find such members.
Yes. So, I imagine I'm your studio. As my steps, and this is a move so no.
Now, say baby or 12 sounds. I don't know to me.
No, so my first floor.
Let's have of staircase
of 1 pay.
Nay, so for one, no arrest.
No one of new time or beautiful.
Last minute number or see from correct. I know what to say.
You go whatever you want. That's why
I'm from people. I'm in anyway. Let them say you mother.
Because
we are, yeah. Madam number so. The kind of man wish Justice Francis Obri happy birthday. And when I hear birthday, but and then me Justice Francis Obri.
Francis Adjumai has spoiled you. Do that.
Mr. Dami friend to be sound and someone come from Francis.
Okay, whenever we can, don't be a
just a quick one, just to add to it. But Frank, Mama Kasim, so in recent time, to be honest with you, in recent time, no, maybe 5 years or maybe 4 years in the Tamas and Kotoko technical team, it look a bit complete, Mammy, and it.
Yeah, I agree.
What do I say? Tama technical team, it look a bit complete. I can't say complete to that. It look some ways in A. So if you ma, department, max 1 level, everything. I mean, is not in doubt.
Yeah.
And then from there, Johnson Smither, no a head coach,
a
competing team. As accepted, say, Obaba assistant coach, and look at the other 2 technical Akapo himself from Wafa. They know your Baha, any ability with youth in how to me bring away about. And Sana, the other Gazelle, no so whatever he knows. SK and Commandie, waiting at Johnson Smith in it,
okay.
On no Fisu Mazua. Yes. They are Johnson Smith in John.
SK and Kuma.
Okay.
I'm at the Black Stars.
Okay.
And then later on they local blasters near.
I see.
Kodoko medical team now recommending him Dr. Chiso Monsahina.
Okay. You understand? He's one of the best.
Okay. Players now Kasaka who be no catch Dr. Chiso Monsahina.
Okay. I see.
He's one of the best in the country. SK Ankuma in terms of area now. Physiotherapy. No. You go to the goalkeeping department. I mean, goalkeeper trainers. No. Samson appear and back when they say they are not called U17. Also more another. Goalkeeper.
Yeah, he's the main man or a license holder. Any day we am say.
So to me, I think that they look a bit complete. Yes. We don't compare international standard and
Juba, and they have a strong medical team.
We don't compare international standard and Bibi. Then Joe, you may require a lot because international standard in there. Team normally be on the Juma. Oh yeah, but I'm saying say per 11 there. They look a bit more complete. Don't forget how the folks started season no more boss, no money assistant coaching. They didn't have assistant coach. So no, and to compare personnel or more as a technical department. Now they compare any team will look at anymore. You could see Kotoko try or matter some fill certain spaces. Technical department and done other Premier League clubs now or more system anymore. Or say should as Kotoko board announce a competency as soon as possible. I may say maybe I know as soon as possible, but they have to do it. What must say? Because they say no, the Ghana Football Association are my timelines, and the way you must work towards those timelines. It's almost starting registration from 15th August. League will not start until October, but obviously you need to start from somewhere and prepare. You need somebody to do that. And if you said no, they need time to go through some money. For me, a unit within board for somebody to be playing that role. It ain't me like a pressing issue. Said there's vacancy, there's space, no one is doing anything. So then you may have to appoint now, but they put people in place. Juma, it might not be said there be a substantive CEO over there, but obviously pressing issues there's somebody to be doing that. I rather will take my time and get it right than so Rashi, and then in the end, if you are not what you actually wanted, and I say, oh no, it doesn't prove well. Okay. Dalan, I agree with the boss who may take home time and go through the process. No, you say Mr. Do or sports background. Send mate in mate another for Nico Finch and idea of genetic. And then everything is as I would background and knowledge and everything away. So they can handle things until certain times say or my already say we say. Obviously, those who eat from the game always defend the GFA, and those who spend on the game always complaining. Was that?
Yeah, that was that.
I say, will it be good for the club owners to be on the ESCO? Yes, everybody involved with sports can be on the ESCO, but sometimes in the lose sight of the fact because Premier League and no the Casa. But Joe, if you take a critical look at the Executive Council now, Katias Okloku or a club owner, he's a majority shareholder in Dreams FC. Or a club owner. Randy Abe owns a club. Or a club owner. Out of lines in India. Sami Enumadu. Or a club owner. Young apostles or they were, or a shareholder. Or a club owner. Habibata or a club owner. She owns Fabulous Ladies. Zida or Esco, so a club owner. Our team, Upper East. Linford, Asamoah, or a Esco member. Kotokuro as an idiot. He's a club owner. Sebi Mbaka do I said you have a club. Be a club owner. Be a club owner.
Club
Pechi United.
Yeah. Division 2.
Yeah.
Kufia Champo.
100% shareholder. You be one shareholder.
Duty Pechi United. Achidia. It's also a club owner.
I buy boots.
Yeah.
I buy jerseys.
Yeah.
I spend money in football. And the club owners now any day. All of us are club owners.
He's looking up to me. That has always been my stand. Ebi as a Joe or say Nkadota Kwame Chino Wesco.
So any club owner.
No, or
no, okay, there's
I'm sure that
you spend direct.
Yes.
No, I don't spend.
No, I'm not saying you don't spend, but Joe. A situation whereby you having Dr. Kwame spending so much in Kotoko. Now Jordan share the situation between Kotoko and Jordan on elections. No. Yes, say Koto Abama. We to some Kwamaha. What would the difference? Now the situation between Mr. Abed Comedy and Adriana Diano. Look at the two lines. In the obviously obiti echida. Nanti Ben say I didn't think na Mr. Champon spend it. Or say and Koto Abama this over Thomas Laka. But na club
these are internal problems.
Okay.
These are internal problems. At least from club to club, you have to take a decision. Ubeshia, not take a decision. So when you feel no here, it must not affect the generality of running football. But what must say? As Sandy Kotoko as a group should have no decided to vote. And if indeed the employee in the civil Odbekwaha, then you're contrary to the belief of Baby Oyejumamum, you step you aside. These are internal we say. If you go to England, almost anyone Peter Kenyon, they don't own clubs. You know, when everyone in England, almost any UEFA, they don't own clubs. They don't own clubs. And yeah, Manchester, no one no but I'm saying, if you're a club owner want to go there, you can go and contest. Moses and other people were there. All these are club owners. Football, you have to say premium one, it's a club owner because you must start from somewhere. And I can give.
Football club owner kwai so ko esco so we club owner na person ko emra no ma kwai intina Moses Parker ne the saying Mr. Chirememoni
all of them have been on the ESCO before. So the ESCO as it stands now, majority of ESCO members or probably almost all of them are club owners. Be a club, but they be on the day and on yes and the club no lower division and then no to with chance. So what is the better so that is it. I say you say Manchester United any Chelsea support Manchester United any Chelsea players so with the park was no mood in common. If you don't hear the supporters so much on board maybe media and I say try to push sound of normal way in Ghana Hana somebody couldn't come on that's a mistake be far so bad. If I say has got a ball na place in no mood in common the same player need the ball banner who said that Tito Biana who Tito Mangas was about Tito no found Rebecca say what the bribe no negotiating in a park so you in as a football no a trust no man and football no yes rivalry but beyond that you know the same institution in a woman people can actually talk now my I say Henry Asante Eka say they will test players all the players yes and okay that is the proposal any strategy Ghana if you know per se dura next season so at least say test all the stakeholders involved make players technical team and officials who are involved in the game you know and so season no etima started awareness so and that we're looking at between I think 3,000 to 4,000 people personnel involved in football no and so na etima started they can Premier Division 1 women's Premier so better to and so etima started at least at least test back there except cost but we're looking at more than one test throughout we see we're also looking at say your bubble behind closed doors. Do you know because we are looking at say bubble behind closed doors. Because corona we'll never play football. No, it can never happen. So what man say? Yes, I didn't hear the minister exactly but these are proposals they call government, but the government no boy. I say they are testing people. And the students from school, so they are testing people. And but they are testing them. I think that there will be a way, whether the money will come from the GFA, is coming from government, there should be a way. A bit the involved in football net started. At least for people to be on the safer side.
All right. Andy, my also.
Well, Mr. Joe, Obi Busa say Kotoko strikers.
Remember we inform quickly.
Okay.
Food that contain long chain of hydrocarbon, that is fats and oils, take more hours to digest. Yeah. It's not advisable to eat such foods when you have less than 2 hours to perform any physical activity. Apomafu. And the
but don't hear question now. Or say it's advisable for players to eat those food in the morning. So they know the money and say match day and then you match. But the answer no a bit me am who dey say it take a longer period for it to digest. And it's all feels of training, even who training bare 2 hours time and you can say if you're training less than 2 hours.
No. Some
morning training or afternoon training.
Until I make a training bar now persevere or DD and heavy food answer because footballers they eat a lot of carbohydrate food power. Here a lot of energy. Sports for them here energy.
Tell you. Obi Busa say Kotoko team no watch the number of goals are players in the share. A coach in the tactics na name kui and I say players na more the born and of him. When the team struggle to create chances, clearly you be blame coaches. But say actually give a try muya. Kotoko nye team in terms of creation of chances normal like and clearly. Games be or how mobile or team create several chances, but almost struggle so team the ball not to net. Especially be sure Kotoko against Karela. Kotoko against Bechem United, Kotoko against Almina Shas. Omo created several chances. In that aspect, you don't blame the coach, but you blame the players. And okay, players now, omo jina Kotoko any muna. First of all, so you be said Richard Data. The last time Obo Edema Wow Stars would share more goals in a season, it wasn't up to 10. And after that, of course, St. George's or Samba back now. Now, 6 months before coming to Kotoko, he's not tried and tested striker. Obetimi blame coach says or Banasa goes cinema. Clearly, you blame the coach. Obi watching fee now Samba back in 6 months. No, Obi needed time to come back to full flight, and obviously, he is not a tried and tested striker. Now, Obi said Nabikita. So Joe match Sobo in our share one group. And that was a penalty against us for Navigator.
Okay.
Again, on your tried and tested striker, if you saw Bakotoko. On your play, I'll bet him do Russian Muse within a season, he's going to give 8, 9, 10 goals. Dabi. Inti sa play unable bono untimi show goals. You can blame the coach based on his position. And I said the skill set no. Oje game no bona utimu say Navigator say oti born the ball and call from a left side of attack ebeboa or as auxiliary striker ebeboa or as a right-sided attacker ebeboa. And clearly I see Navigator to be more of an auxiliary striker than say Obedina as a proper center forward or as a target man. So in that aspect, Obetimi Abremi coach in Kakra. But again, he's not a tried and tested striker in terms of goals. You can count on him. Okay. Obedi say Sonny Yakuba ba Kotoko in competitive games. Oma Kotoko 7 goals. But over friendly games, I know Oma Kotoko goals baby. So friendly games Obeboya.
These games, so she has 7 goals.
Oh yes.
Yakuba.
Yes.
Wow.
So games or body mark Kotoko.
Yakuba 7 goals.
That time there were not a lot of competitive games. Now friendly matches, cup matches, but he scored in all those matches.
Oh yes,
African League matches.
Africa was 2 goals.
I see.
Africa was 2 goals.
Okay.
in NC tournament or one go against Mediamawa. Or by in the first 5 months or 4 goals. Goals I will say as good Nikotoko friendly games, women are or say 2 or say 2 or was it. And I'll say how to folk. That was Yakuba Denano.
I see. But no accessible.
No, sir. But goals on the goal I'm making. I bought them in case on him.
The competitive, then I'll find competitive. No?
League matches.
Okay, league. Into league, no share saying.
League or share 5. Yes, or share 4. Yes.
Second, I'm saying a league.
Yes, or share 4. Yes.
Okay, now debut.
And I'll share 2 in Africa.
Africa, 2.
Yes.
That's A6.
Yes.
And
he scored 1 in the NC tournament.
NC tournament.
Or share 1 against Mediama Ukumas.
No.
Yes.
Oh, sir.
Na den ma o twen pen pe.
No, so your calculation.
Yeah. Alright. And now they are kind of friendly matches.
Oh yes. Okay. It's Yakuba coming back clearly. Who said he was not fit psychologically, he was not sound. Sorry, games are now over. In one of the Kotoko games, now we're playing on all day ball, and he was slumping on the field of play. And again, in as much as our Kotoko goes in some competitive games now, so when the fitness, the body demeanor, the problems are not banned so on the field of player. Clearly, who say you cannot rely on Yakuba, and in Kotoko game back when you penalty. Said we keke ball crabon and tibianche. So again, you don't blame a coach on that particular score. Again, oh yes. Inti so she players amabum William Opokumensa. Oh chances ne basa. But there is a player said you on so what's nephew 1 year. Coming back. Obe take it time and son Otimia shaping who so well to the Kotoko team. If he goes or the Mar Kotoko in the competition, and the number of chances I was saying, clearly, I feel you cannot blame the coach on that particular score. It is a Ubusa, the coach tactics and players no almost performance. The only way I met me a blame coach myself say I feel Navigator deserve to be playing behind the striker than be the main man up front. Obisa Busa. So I'm going to make the Kevin De Bruyne Tony Cruz issue. One. So Kevin De Bruyne Tony Cruz. Said you. Compare those two players. One. In terms of versatility, baby obia betimi abo, you give it to Kevin De Bruyne. Obetimi abo on the right side of attack, on the left side of attack. Obetimi abo as an auxiliary striker. Obetimi abo as advanced playmaker. Obetimi abo as a deep lying playmaker. For versatility, you give it to Kevin De Bruyne. Tony Cruz betimi abo as a number 10 advanced playmaker. Obetimi abo as number 8 a conductor. For versatility, you give it to Abrante Kevin De Bruyne. Now, second, in terms of passes, Saoka passes you give it to Tony Cruz. Short passes, long passes, direct passes, backwards passes for control in deep zone. You give it to Tony Cruz. Now, we are now about a friend stage.
That one I would disagree with you.
Okay, passes. Work out there.
Because Ushe in the close time no more. Okay.
11:23.
Okay.
Saturday. Okay. For stages, because stages are in the Champions League, in the German Bundesliga, at World Cup, European Cup. Such stages you give it to Tony Cruz because he was on your squad member in the Madrid setup. He is the most influential midfielder in terms of control for the Madrid team or Madrid Champions League in the Mianza. Time and Germany World Cup in 2014. Again, he was instrumental in the German play, and you give it to Tony Cruz when it comes to stages. Kevin De Bruyne our form and this season has been better than Tony Cruz, but in all. Abrante a friend of Tony Cruz is ahead of a player a friend of Kevin De Bruyne. So Joe B. Wisa say Carl Harvest. Chelsea are qualified for the Champions League. There be Abrante and the person in the Champions League. Into our Chelsea beat me a qualify. Now Babi Siakan Eddie Ama Chelsea in the Champions League. Obi Wisa say
the Leroy is an unveiling or a very Bayern. What is more kind of so Chelsea are so much me no be against our sign area
so you almost didn't come on actually but again born agents and so I catch Chelsea so almost better
so much my science are two game but
Kai Havertz
the on va on be a paper much
so you boy now dominate every personal time so Chelsea ne Kai Havertz a real personal terms. Aka clubs no.
No, Sergio, they make us the American say it was part of the agreement. So almost per se Chelsea boy in the Champions League and Zana boy naba.
Wow, okay, good to us.
All right. Obi Busa say striker and a centre forward. Now, you can't be a striker. The coach, the team, no, the Bejina Park, and so on. Player now, that is close to the opposition box. And I say opposition defense, no, and your friend is striker. Now, striker, and a movie, and Obi, and I say, Yachiche more the components, no, and Obi the center forward. So, you say, I can't a center forward. Any more on the players now, the original on coach team, the players me now, coach team, the player back now, coach team, the players me and say now. Player now didn't be anymore at the center of the two or at the center of the three, only a friend center forward. But he need to possess certain qualities. And the Bemi Akasa said, Franco Narajuma OD, he's acting as a poacher. And the Bemi Akasa Frederick Champo Juma OD, he's acting as center forward. So be a poacher, Chikarito. On a born, no demand, I want to defenders let you know a cartoon near the born to center. But the case will be a center forwarder, or be our retaining possession. At the chain, other players, especially when they are in attacking or counter-attacking stage, or retaining possession, or to me crab ball, at the chain, other players, and I say, or be a team crab ball, even send a back a crack to opposition in defense. Our side goes, or be a class our qualities in the case a player way dear. Or a center forward. That is the difference between a striker and a center forward. So Obisa Busa say, also call the EPL or Okoma Mani as the best player. I agree. Also call Spain or Okoma Courtois. I disagree. I feel the Spain best player should go to Karim Benzema. And yet statistics in the 21 goals, 8 assists no. But so can they be a friend the eye test? Born and Casa Ushebia. In the Madrid team, I feel he's so instrumental to the attacking play and also adding more goals to their team. In Spain, I disagree with the Courtois, but I'll go in for Karim Benzema. In Italy, Ciro Immobile, I totally agree. Robert Lewandowski, I agree. We no say Ballon d'Or no be for Lewandowski and then Karim Benzema. I disagree totally with the Benzema's inclusion. I feel so he has been a pale shadow of himself, especially when it comes to the European competition. And we're performing in the Spanish La Liga and so well. But also Champions League Madrid are born this particular season. And now they are waiting the Karim Benzema say he plays the Omeshia, ye back so on and a model so and ya. Fa Karim Benzema and that particular set of players now. Sergio Obisa conversation there friend so yeah players conversation Sergio when all them
Newton so na fi ono so neka kra no da be gum kra no so interesting power. I did health, physical education, recreation and sports at the University of Education Winneba. In that I did exercise physiology, nutrition and health as a course in a semester. Wow. Apomafu. And I ordinary
or receive you.
Yeah. Apo you know high. Wow. Minimda. I see.
Or receive it.
You can see video. It's a girl.
So called Franconaro
University of Hypers.
Apo see video. It's a goji boom boom pow.
The teacher.
Oh, I'm scared teacher for you.
Now the numbers of a catcher.
When you man go to be a baby school, I don't talk as I can see with them. All right. Ira Newton. But because Newton, now, of course, but before that, Kofi, nature birthday. Nature, Baba, no, yeah, Jollof, my wedding, and I don't know.
Oh, Coach, oh, nature, happy birthday. Yes, it's our comedy. Yes, nature comedy. As one catch them, but I am never tuned and we show up in building a minister or Mark attempting. Now, Jollof from the San repeat. The Samba Wana Juba, nature, and one Wakari was so happy birthday. Or Dijams, I my own that man. Oh, no, was so far. him from Kosoro.
Yes.
I know J first.
Yes. To obey Biana, this is no bad man. Obey Biana, I meant him from Kosoro.
Uncle Goody.
This is 9 hours, but this is the apple. That chance what they want to say, would a man is on Fanya that is in the boot. Or T-boot. Okay, Newton, whatever way.
So Joe,
happy birthday, that yeah.
But as now questions not draw, so now I started from maybe an Andy areas is no.
Okay.
A striker and a centre forward. Andy, I are perfect. Now centre forward is Obenya subset 2.
Yeah.
Obenya poacher, no one target man. It will pick Icardi, no pick Droba. Icardi poacher on which box room. Let Jumani answer the ball better net. But target man, we use for other functions.
Okay.
Serve as a focal point for the team from defense.
Okay.
The differences are that mobility and then immobility. Icardi will move into a box, but Droba moves a lot. So the near target man so wide, Obako.
Okay.
Baka say Icardi in Concha uncle. Or per box in Finfio. Baka say Droba in Finch and Finfio to say the oil Icardi as poacher no Abasababayeno. So Oba Piki, Icardi, and then Droba. One is a target man, one is a poacher. Me and you center forwards. Me move your call. Tactics, formation, and a variation. Number one tougher in one bracket. 2012 Chelsea share Barcelona or Camp Nou. 2012 Champions League. Camp Nou 2-2. Barcelona a ball 4-3-3. Tactics, formation, and variation. Me born tougher.
Okay.
Barcelona ball 4-3-3. Chelsea ball 4-3-1-1. 1-1 no na matter in the Gina Droba echi 3 no Finfiani oye Mikel Obi Raul Meireles and then Frank Lampard so 4-3-1-1 now yeshe rules no Barcelona team no about 4-3-3 the right side of Barcelona team no number 2 no benya Puyol midfielder no benya Fabregas and then attack no benya Messi as the right winger to say number 7 Obe divide Messi ball into 2 one area back receive ball more. Most of the ball, Messi receiving or right winger, but to move inside or be shooting. So shut that lineup no. Anytime Biano Chelsea planted Raul Meireles and then player friend said Ramirez. Ejina baby Fabregas Messi Puyol no. Anytime Biano Chelsea break it off the counter no. No because one Fabregas edging offensively, Messi back offensively, and then Puyol like a pace in defense. So that area no be very weak for Chelsea, and we use Editia Barcelona in that team. So we share variations. Why Mikel Obi occupy actually co role no as a right full back, left full back, and another Sergio Mecano. Tactics, formation, and then variations. Anytime you want actually co drop Mikel Obi na never not Raul Meireles support it Ramirez. And with the area no Messi Puyol Fabregas one. And the reason was that Fabregas and then Messi become anymore Puyol. I want player or lucky piece. Chelsea identity. Oh, yeah, Chelsea fan. I've in the last 20 years. Every club or team be have an identity. Now winning era no. So Ghana time your bobo fair. Ni identity ni offensive football. It's kind of said the Brazils of Africa. You're born in your calling him. So winning era no it define your identity. So we started from Jose Mourinho with Chelsea. Born in a defensive game. Antonio Conte the defensive game by G League Mamo. Basari is a different manager. Or your attacking manager. Oba started from Sarri time to Frank Lampard time where once the Chelsea movie from the defensive game to the attacking game. So when they I want to start attackers. It could be a time Chelsea with about 4-2 with Havertz, Ziyech, Pulisic, and then Timo Werner. 4 anymore when you are attackers. Naka 2 central midfielders in the one thing. This is a team years ago no team bomb Makelele and then Asian. No ball anymore. So Chelsea identity in the last 20 years a movie from the defensive game to the attacking game based on the ideas and how Roman Abramovich who football also movie. So Joe Mesha another question now because other Manchester United brilliant attack.
See Joe let me ask the super duper video analyst this okay. Newton, this question. Okay. King Newton or something for this question. He educated us a lot on the weak Chelsea defense. Why did the sharp attack of Manchester United fail to break this weak defense? Whatever my friend Aisha Saha's Kitchen Dichemso Aisha Saha's Kitchen Dichemso
me shall say free say every single game be our ideas and methods how they go game no so wetin yakọ show be 1000 and now be wetin about show 1-0 based on the systems of football it is a dummy ayeto
okay
and so who be more be na space abeda na chi na de kwa akroma
okay
so looking at Manchester United game of Boti at Chelsea there were systems that work it here Manchester United
okay
and over posture ma me o ha ye yenim no yan hwa de o say Joe Manchester United a line up no
mo TV no
mo posture ha ma me mo hwe TV no and o hwa say Joe Manchester United line up no ombo 4-3-1-2 system Bruno Fernandes and SCV as the number 10 behind Rashford and James 4-2-1-2 system in defense obetimi abo play na ma me yan hwa how Manchester United team no without the ball no we team no Chelsea dey me pass me nya pause ha say Chelsea a line up on the go game no 3-4-3 without the ball in crash Chelsea say no so for me
okay
this is
Chelsea
this is time about crash Chelsea yes but Chelsea without the ball because obebo play na mame na ekonanim
okay
this is how Chelsea grab on a team no shape up
okay
so
defense number 5
wing backs ni na be follow be join the 3 backs
yes
one could open it now okay
Mason Mount and then Willian now becomes midfielders as part of Jorginho and then Kovacic leaving only Olivier Giroud. I had a target man as Semna Mekaniba. Giroud is a center forward but a target man to Ababe now midfielder.
Okay
now Sergio you're quite him
I'm good
now you show how two teams in line up in play mode. Say the teams are lining up and your ball no see a kiki on or say a ball shape in the bay.
Okay. I'm saying the TV mail now Facebook.
Which man?
Yeah, I'm playing the man.
So, she say a call live on Facebook.
And I make a say who need TV now say. For now net e bia kita oko Facebook. Kesben
facebook.com/Kesben Sports. Ahoy live. When you the Newton Ekanin in our live.
All the platforms.
Yeah. We know Kesben FM, Kesben News, Kesben TV on Facebook. We are live. All right.
So Joshua board no see here. Chelsea front try no air press Manchester United back three no. Obia starti we tremiensa and no more defending in 5 without the ball. So Joshua see here Mason Mount, Olivier Giroud and then Willian. Omaba press Manchester United back three no. Of Lindelof, Maguire and then Eric Bay. And Alonso occupy Aaron Wan-Bissaka. And then James occupy Brendan Williams. Now look at the midfield. Almost my ROB or Matic and Fred Echi. It means that almost ball with their back to the attack. And some tiny badge ball. In that game, Poba Mobi. Now the difference is that the team be pressing say you need a midfield with me take a ball from one line to the other line. But press it so deep ground between the ball and Chemako. Looking at Fred, looking at Matic, on between passes straight between the lines, but taking the ball on like probably Crown or the Chemako. I won't win it. So this situation, not just a Ubo player. Kovacic and Jorginho now have the chance. Some press Manchester United 2 central midfielders. So Usha clearly say that born it here. We're on a template. You have field and so on. There's no time for Manchester United midfielders on better anymore because 3 of the attackers air press 2 central midfielders me and better than they've also pressed and Jorginho and Kovacic here Juma and a pressure that Manchester United team also. Now play new Koswa. You been how Manchester United ever pin you into their own defense. How Chelsea ever pin it a team of Manchester United in their own area. So a force Manchester United set mobile ball directly from the defense to the attack. Chelsea with a more height of a more backline Zuma, Aspilicueta and Rudiger. Ever win the ball because Danny James only air strength, area durability only be. Danny James what me favor also. Rashford is that player to me using also. And now the ball requires second ball Jorginho and Kovacic picking up.
Okay.
It is second ball no now play the best so other side of the game now on the clearly. Now pitch in the course. Look at how Chelsea press Manchester
United. Man U, no?
Yes, okay. Chelsea Man U.
Okay.
Okay. It's playing on Twasonko. This is how Chelsea press Manchester United in their own area. Now, once a Manchester United player, a friend, a match, or Babajabo. A friend where you know about it. If you know, look, also William Pressy Lindelof. Up top, almost Olivier Giroud, Alicia Maguire. So, Jorginho Naba, Abedi Matichino, to say the name of Eliano, Jorginho Naba. And there's no passing lane for any other Manchester United midfielder. Maybe a Chelsea it forces them to go for the long balls again.
Okay.
It will be a long ball and I can once them now, and that Chelsea are picking up quickly.
Okay. Long ball now, but on board to anybody in particular.
Say you under pressure.
Pressure into a clear ball.
The ball.
Okay.
It's the ball never caught. Ball the corner Chelsea are picking up easily.
Okay, to a boy, you know.
A boy in the
okay.
Another occasion. A faces of the game, and I'll be another occasion here. It is different from the first one. So Joshua has said, I was a Chelsea from Jorginho and I said, Matichechi on Vinfion, but be a very receiving ball from the defense. Already William, Giroud, Omunina came out and played it to us. This is how Chelsea map up strategy against Manchester United, our build up. So Joshua clearly, Chelsea for now map up in their own zone, different scenes. And game room. So getting the ball out of their own defensive zone was an issue for Manchester United because of the high pressing system at Chelsea deploy in that particular game.
I see.
They say, maybe a ball in team free hole. This is the third different scene and played it to us what free has say how Manchester United able free this situation. In this case, Bruno Fernandes. Now, Sir Joe, Bruno Fernandes, forcing a man by the same thing I am missing. The same thing about attack ball na Messi a drop it. So this time Bruno Fernandes beba in Finfiono Abaso Baba Manchester United. Every single Bobia United so many PBR na Chelsea for the drama so. Now who be a Fred is a quarter the one kono or back pass.
Okay.
Fred is a transitor. But the ball is trying to join the attack by midfielder but on my back pass because once the intense pressure on about 3 players in the journal so. We need any option than to go for a back pass or a recycle. More technical word. Just was a recycle ball.
I see.
So look at how the game plan. Now Bruno Fernandes and Abba Infinity. So Bruno Fernandes I be serve as extra passing channel for Manchester United. Number 3 you born a free throw. I join it. But that Bruno Fernandes in the drop, Chelsea be use to advantage within the game. I be who see. So Bruno Fernandes and Abano, a drop of played on twice a year. After Bruno Fernandes, the first time Manchester United the team created chance was when he fell back for the ball and started connected to the attack, and he will be a born echo.
Okay.
Now that there will be a hole at Chelsea be used to the team. This was the first time Manchester United could create a chance in that game when Bruno Fernandes dropped. But the drop, a very critical loophole for the team and Chelsea be used to see. So Joe Yanshe. So maybe about it here. Unfortunately, Jorginho Kovacic, you may be the boy Chelsea attacking on Bataha, Matic, and Fred in Jirahono. It created a space for Chelsea. So we build up on a born film. Instead of Fred and then Matic but joining attacking gap of the momentum. So how Chelsea best circulate Manchester United attack at the time of Mukoino playing into us, mommy. Now say Joe, look at something. It's 5v3 in the Chelsea defensive zone.
5v3. 5 versus 3.
So 5 defenders versus 3 attackers.
5v3 actually, I don't know.
Yeah.
5 versus 3.
Yes. So Chelsea build and trust me, Chelsea build up on easily because Jorginho, maybe a Matic maybe a Freddy Janamwa. And so look at the build up easily for Chelsea. They are going now Yanko field and so. This is what happened. Chelsea for now security more in their own defensive zone. Manchester United 3 attackers. Matic, Fred are nowhere to be found.
This is
so Joe, which one see and just see them map. So look at how Manchester United attack Chelsea for the team winning ball easily or more defense. But the same thing. So this is the occasion who say Chelsea, Manchester United 2 players now air track and using Giroud as a target man. I told you Giroud now back center midfield as a target man. And target man, Chelsea is a flexible attack. Meaning say Willian or Mason Mount will take the advantage and access spacer. Giroud by the Jao Honomono. So Giroud now serves as a first recipient of the ball by Willian be take advantage. Mason Mount and a dash Honomono also be take advantage. So playing it to us series of occasions, Willian or Mason Mount with Giroud as a target man.
Okay.
This is how Chelsea MRP strategy. Now say Joe, game no kwen anymore. Chomu who say o me sell man marking idea at the Giroud because one and receive ball as a target man. Now your idea friend say overlapping centre back. Mostly so a centre back now offensive game instincts to say David Lewis, to say Sergio Ramos. Aspilicueta Chelsea you soon be. It's anytime you mark Olivier Giroud, normal release Aspilicueta down the right flank. Tactically, no more movie James the number inside infield. No mama Jorginho akwa head keeping the three back shape intact and I don't know see.
Okay.
So Manchester United plan we deploy that no more day or match plan no. Chelsea would now revert back to Aspilicueta as offensive outlet.
Okay.
It spaces when you know Giroud na equity. Now there's another trick Chelsea be you know free this situation because we now enjoy the positive result. And I don't know mama switch call Aspilicueta. So Joe board no see here. This is how Chelsea used to Aspilicueta for their first goal.
Okay.
Omama James a movie by inside and we Brendan Williams say free her and on Aspilicueta co receive ball. So also an receive ball.
Yeah.
And Olivier Giroud and then the ball got to it.
I see.
So we have a field so we a computer so the how me share game me home. O field and only. So shall we James down the personal how me. On only Willian ball as the right side of Chelsea.
Yeah.
Willian ball anymore. Not James Abonachi. But to show this occasion, James was
James.
Yeah, Rhys James, good.
James
and Aspilicueta, I bought the right back position because who compare James and then Aspilicueta offensively, Aspilicueta is better and experienced because we're a deep tactical game.
Okay.
Now you're back a draw because Ubenya James or defender Ubenya Aspilicueta try a loose. Jorginho is now forming the back three shape for Chelsea. And to say in a connection now a Aspilicueta and a William and a critical Olivier Giroud. But about Jorginho now has a defensive role, keeping the shape intact as a back trainer. This is how the goal was scored.
Okay.
Aspilicueta and William. And a critical goal for Olivier Giroud.
Okay.
Initial attacking planner Giroud serve as a target man assassin. So start from now when we say Jorginho the master curl the whole when they keep it the back three no issue.
Wow. I'm possible. So is it possible players no na yem trust na kokon boa akira na me say am for e question be a exam do ba say ya no fama omo you be 12 minutes pe na do me no abo but one block wa high say me say e boka ho ai kofi say agrono eye de no na ade so esa e ya control too bad ya de besia na fi ya to so ekire na man for questions on the buy for tomorrow. Why have you scrapped the 3 p.m. spots? These astute pundits need to express themselves more. Ajiman anyway abre it's few minutes to 12. Come to think of it, and you and your able panel need 4 hours daily. You guys are too good for this less time. Mr. Kese and the management must do something about it. Ajiman anyway and so abre Ajiman all right. Me who afufro enso ewa ha Malamus or say Malamus
the Don Footer.
There be Malamus we opposite Roxy. We referee number what a wonderful submission by Andy Kem. Malamus opposite Roxy. We need an extra extension of the midfield action because of the wonderful submissions by the panelists Malam and Asai Eddie we abre the Tosubium and so Efre Hefa Frimpon Holy John and so the way Ebai. I say good morning Sejo. Since today is a Friday, let me also ask my questions. Where is our afternoon sports? And are there plans to serve us sports in the evening now that the crew is full? And we the listeners know your guys are always unable to digest issues due to the time limit. Only 2 hours and some few minutes isn't enough for a full squad like this. When are we getting our afternoon sports back? Or is there any plan to serve us with evening sports? From Pond Holy John OC ready way Abba. Okay. And also some P. Victorious Collins. There are lots of people, including the media personalities, blame the VAR for getting some decisions wrong. But for me, I think it's those in charge of its review that interpret wrongly and not a machine. What's the take of the panel members? Please. Too bad. Questions are bad now. Some Emremo and Supi. Our GFA officially announced a sponsorship deal with Macron 2 days ago. Per Kwame Mickey's investigations, it's a non-existent firm in Ghana. Boss, I know the GFA is an embodiment of reputable and well-resourced personalities. So I want to know from your omniscient crew if it were miscommunication or lack of due diligence on the part of the Ghana Football Association members who led to broker the deal. DD Edway Free Akumadan and Abreye. Missing Casban Sports in just a single day is like missing Heart of Folk sweet matches. Keep the fire burning. Ernesto Abrepo. Greetings to Ernesto Abrepo. Bernard Born Great Kenya say they also they buy and Anopay and so no. Sempre. All right,
Isaac from Ecobank, Upper Road.
Yeah.
Kelvin for Moha Junior, anti-pressure na mo reto ama nkrofo sado.
In fact, this new team guy is very good, and I can boldly say it has an advanced. It has advanced stage. It is in advanced stage. In your crew, the most of the what you say. Crew now has more advanced. Wall we know. Wall screen. It's actually inside. Okay, your too bad. Minimum will be a movie chat. The one to me uncle.
Because I do a trade or three.
Mankind.
A trade or 3 solid hours. You are not vetting. I don't know from. Yeah. Into Omunya between everything. Mamicha Oscar Men Oscar on an area Maggie. Okay. Nano pay.
Obi Sandy Mamna. Question normal the family phones and I'm the man making my own say almost flash. Obi Busa says you may end up quick in just 30 seconds. Just 30 seconds. Or just 30 seconds. Straight answer question. Obviously, Anaka Ibrahimovic one of both teams. Anaka about 13 teams. Ibrahimovic boy 11. You say Louis Labet. Obviously, goes or 59 goals.
All right. One one the country a kappa and so that poor Chelsea. And among Queen. No, TV so Kevin television so. Then the picture be at all. Or holidays are there.
And they do somebody can
Tony Bato Kappa.
So Tony there can they
Tony Kappa, and that's a restaurant where Unyazi. Where Kappa and Obutu Abaya Biachino.
Are quite heavy. Let's come over what
Kappa. Oh, I dare. Oh, Kappa's will go. Kappa Zabalaga. Oh, I dare. Papa. Oh, Abaya the two.
Ayapa.
Oh, they don't worry.
Oh, do I have
I am on Sunday and theatre.
Now, Scan go ahead and on this canoe. What did you say?
Scan you say,
I quite didn't
Kappa is a man.
Nelson was a hero about the
TV. Yakopo Eboa China Yabasan Atwas questions somebody by Antimi and Yano a dozen from Jomu Fan Chemi Bri Abba phone so OT great keep it rich keep it Yadamasi Yansan Shebu Yamiboa China Ani Baba Dankambari picture that TV in the Pamcho Abib Muhammad of Asante Kotoko. Abib Muhammad of Asante Kotoko. Mo amu try no so Mickey. Count. Why they try? Mo try dosu.
Nipa ba ko. The friend say nipa be bri try ba nipa ba ko na de be ma no. Oh general ase dise me hwehwe. Pacho gina so. Me na ba set time there. me number 054 197 39